Hey guys, this is the fourth time I have filmed this Target haul. I'm starting to think that it's not meant to be. I'm just having some technical difficulties, so hopefully, please God, this one is good. I have filmed it and then I get the footage into iMovie and it's just not right. So hopefully we are good to go on this one, and yeah. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you. So I went to Target the other day and it was just a spur of the moment. I had some time to kill and I ended up finding some cute things. They have their spring and Easter stuff out now in the bullseye section, so I got a couple of cute things there, and then I got some makeup items and some clothing items. So that is what I am going to share with you guys today. Okay, so the first thing that I got was this little bunny here. So he's super cute, and as you can see, I have a little succulent in the back, and then he has like gold detailing in his ears. They do also sell the little succulents, and they have all different types of plants and different pot colors and all that, and they are $3 as well. The bunny was $3 if I didn't say that. But I got this one because it kind of looks like Easter grass and it fits right into his back. And I think he's super cute for Easter, but also just for spring in general. So I've had him sitting on the fireplace and I'll probably keep him there through the springtime. So the next thing I picked up was this little picture, and it was $3, and it does have a little thing on the back where you can hang it on the wall if you want. But I love the floral print. I love the colors. It's so pretty. And for $3, I'm pretty sure they probably have a few others that are like this that kind of coordinate with it. But I was just really lucky to find it at all in my Target, because usually our dollar spot is really picked over, and this one I actually found kind of out of place and flipped over. I just got really lucky when I found it. The next thing that I got was this little cake stand, and they also had them in mint and in purple, but I got the pink one because I'm using this in Kinsley's room. I think that they add just a little bit of like elegance to an ordinary thing. Like, for example, I have a white one that I got at Target and I put my perfume on it, so it just makes them kind of pretty and it just pretties it up a little bit. But yeah, these are $5, and like I said, they came in those different colors, and I have been using this one in Kinsley's room. So the last thing that I found in the dollar bin was this little, they call it a pick, and I think that's supposed to be Easter lilies, but I thought that it was really cute and colorful, and it would add like a little splash of color to something. I'm not sure yet where I'm going to use it, but I had to pick it up because it was only $3. So the next three things that I got were makeup items. Two of them were just repurchases and one was something new. The first one was the NYX Brow Wiz eyebrow pencil in the color taupe, and I usually will just pick one up so that I have an extra. And then the next one was this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, and I really love this stuff. This is a great drugstore foundation. I do not like the Pro Glow at all, which is another, like, they kind of came out with that after this one, but this one is awesome. They did a really good job. The only thing I don't like about this one is the shade range is a little funky. I don't really understand kind of where they were going. Like, they have a lot in the shades, but they're just like a little bit off. I don't know, but I do really like the foundation, so, and I was out, so I picked one up while I was there. Then I picked up one of these Maybelline Master Chrome highlighters. I do have this in Molten Gold, and you've seen me use it in a few videos, and I really like it, but I saw that they had it in Rose Gold, so I had to pick that up. They also had one that was like a white color, so there are 3 shades in this line, but it is a really great highlighter, and I have been using this Rose Gold one for the last 2 days, and I really like it a whole lot on my skin tone. Okay, so the last 2 things I got were clothing items, and the first one is this one that I am wearing here. It's just a cold shoulder with some lace detailing, and it's really flowy at the bottom and really cute. I just love the color of this pink, and I like how flowy and comfortable it is. So here it is, just to kind of show you guys like what it looks like down here. The lace detailing goes here and then on the sleeves. Then I also picked up this black one, and it is really hard to show you guys on camera, but it has lace on the back and it is kind of open in the front, and I'm going to kind of show you that, or try to anyways. And it's like a sheer material. You would definitely have to wear a tank top or something under it, but I liked that I could wear it now when it's still cooler, and I can also still wear it in the springtime. You can see it's kind of open in the front. It just sort of like crisscrosses across the front of you, and all of that is like has a little bit of like lace detailing and stuff. I don't know, it's really pretty, but it is hard to show you guys on camera. My camera's having a really hard time picking it up, but it is really pretty. And those are the two tops that I picked up. They had so much stuff out for spring, and a lot of it was florals and just really girly and pretty and flowy and like this thin flowy material. I don't know, I'm really liking the things that they are coming out with, and I love the two things that I got. Okay guys, so that was it for my Target haul. That was everything I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you next time. Bye!
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel, fill up with emotions. Could I taste them for real?